up, my Glam Squad, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nina, and if you are a new visitor, welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm glad you are deciding to join us today, and I hope you consider subscribing to my channel. Okay, so I wanted to film this gorgeous purple and blue look for you guys. I took a picture on last week and it had got quite a little bit of buzz, so I decided to recreate it and do it again. Only this time I filmed it. So without further ado, I'm not gonna hold the intro long, okay? We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna get started with this video. But let's get some straight. Glitter is gorgeous on the eyes, but I kid you not, it is messy as hell, okay? Like, it is gorgeous, but it is messy, okay? So I just wanted to put that out there, all right? So we're just gonna go ahead and we're gonna get started with this video. I hope you guys enjoy. I will see you at the end. What's up, y'all? I'm here, barefaced and all. So I'm gonna start with my brows because I realized it has been quite a while since I did my brows on camera. So I already combed them into place, and I'm going to use my Anastasia dip brow in the color Chocolate. Now I am going to take my, let me get it real quick, my NYX micro pencil, and I am going to basically just do the front.
Any ideas?
Now I am going to take my concealer in LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Beautiful Bronze, and I'm going to clean that up. And now I'm gonna blend that in a little bit more. And that's it. Now I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side. And that's pretty much it, ladies. I will be back with my full face so then we can work on the eyes. I have come to realize that putting on the face first and then working on my eyes has worked out tremendously. Rather than you used to see me do my eyes first, then the rest of my makeup, but now I'm deciding to do the eyes last. So I will be right back.
Any ideas?
Okay, ladies, I'm back with my face done. So we're gonna go ahead and jump right into doing the eyes. And I am going to be using my Morphe by Jaclyn Hill palette. And this is the Bling Boss palette. And I am basically gonna take this color right here, Sparks, and I am just going to pop that right into my crease. And it's gonna be more of like a transition color. Oh, before I get started, I like to take the butt of the wedges and put that alongside my eyes for fallout. Cause let's be honest, like too much work went into putting this face on. And sometimes the bridge of my nose. It looks so weird. Okay. And I know this looks crazy, but this just helps with the fallout. So let's proceed. Okay, now using this same brush, and this is just my Japanese brush, I am going to go in Rockstar right there, and I am going to put that on top of Sparks.
Any ideas?
And this coming out a little too dark, and I don't want that to look too dark, because then you be walking around looking like you got black eye. We don't want all that. So let's go back in with Sparks. Okay, now we're going to put a black eyeshadow on the lid. Oops. Okay, using my Maybelline mini palette by Shayla, I'm going to use that black eyeshadow color right there. Now we want to go in with this Coconut Super Shock eyeshadow from Colourpop. This blue right here. Let me take the top off so you guys can see it. This color right here is so pretty. And we're just going to lay that on top of that black eyeshadow that I just used. And of course, I am using the Wet n Wild brushes that I did a unboxing on. If you hadn't seen that video, I will link it down below so that you can see the brushes that I'm using.
Any ideas?
Okay, now I am going to go in with my blending brush, and this one is from Wet n Wild as well, with nothing on it. I just want to clean that up out of my crease. Okay, it's looking pretty already, guys. Now I am going to go in my Masquerade mini palette by Juvia, and I am going to take this blue right there. Is that the same blue I used last time? Yeah, that's the same blue. It's so hard when you're trying to like redo a look, well, a tutorial on the look that you did. It's much easier when you film it. So I am going to take my Japanese brush, and let's just dip it in there. And because we want this color to pop, honey, we're gonna wet that brush, but if I unlock it first. And because I don't want that Colourpop coconut color to fade out, and it looks like that's what it's doing a little bit, because it's looking like a little greenish. So we're gonna intensify that as well, and we're gonna do that by spraying some water.
Any ideas?
And as you're doing this, you can just keep going back and forth with making sure none of this ends up in your crease, because it needs to stay right there on the lid. Now it is time for my favorite part, and that is the glitter. And this is Turquoise from Magic Collection, and I got this like from Beauty Supply store. It was like $5, and I am just going to take my NYX glitter primer and place that on the areas of where I want the glitter. Now we're gonna get our glitter. And because some got into my crease, I'm basically just gonna get my crease color, and we're gonna go over that. So that is this eye. And as you can see, I got glitter like everywhere on my face. You probably can see it. But that's this side. Now I'm going to do the same to this one. Okay, now that we have our messy glitter on, now we're gonna clean all this up. And I am going to just take my E30 brush and kind of dust this off. Now going in with my first color that I use, which is Sparks.
Any ideas?
I'm just going to put that under my lash line. Then I am going to go in using Rockstar. Then going in with Colourpop with the coconut color, using my E35 brush, I'm going to put that right here. Then I'm going to go in with my Masquerade color right there. And one more time, I'm going to go in with my Sparks, because I really want that color to be intensified under my eyes. Actually, I'm gonna go in with Rockstar. Okay. Now we're gonna move on to inner corner. I highlight. And I am going to use my favorite, which is the Maybelline Chrome. And we're going to use our detail brush, which is E37 brush. Very precise and pointy. And we're just going to pack it right there.
Any ideas?
So that's that. Now we're going to go in with our LA Colors eyeliner in black. I'm just gonna use my sponge. Now I'm going to go in using my Maybelline Falsies Push-Up Drummer Mascara. Okay, girlfriend. Now it's on for the lips. And I am going to line my lips up using the Maybelline Plumper Please. And this is the color. And y'all know, Maybelline had these letters, words on these things so damn small. And y'all already know your girl is blind, okay? Girl, okay. What that word said? Stunner. I think that's it. It's number 240, but I think the name is Stunner. Yeah, I think the name is Stunner. Can somebody tell Maybelline to work on that? Like, I mean, put it somewhere else. But I mean, y'all got it small as hell on here, and I better read that. So I'm just gonna line my lips. Now I'm going to go in with the Milani Black Cherry. Okay, the color that I want to use is Uptown Mauve in Milani. And we're just going to place that on the center. Now I will be back once I take this thing off my head, okay? Okay, girl. So that lip color, it wasn't working for me. It was clashing. So we're just gonna try another lip color. Cause for some reason, sometimes when I go big and bold with the eyes, I can't never figure out the perfect lip color. So I am going to try the Maybelline Super Stay Matte Ink lip color. And this is Escapist number 45. Now how they got theirs wrote on here, I can see it with being blind. Maybelline, take notes. Oh, this is Maybelline. So ladies, this is the final look. I am feeling it. Like, I don't understand why lipstick gotta wind up on my teeth. I'm trying to be cute and extra, okay? So, this is the finished touch, ladies. And I hope you guys enjoyed every bit of it as I have done filming it for you. I went dark and bold and sexy, and I love every bit of it. If you enjoyed this tutorial and like it or love it, go ahead, give your girl a thumbs up, please. Also, you can leave a comment down below on what you would like for me to film next for you. And as well, if you are looking to recreate this look, please add me on Instagram or Twitter at Nina So Glamorous. I would love to see you guys recreate this look for me. It has been a thrill. So without further ado, my battery about to die, so we gotta come to an end, guys. Until next time, peace, love, and happiness. Bye.